Amar Singh, Head Advisory, Angel Broking Private Limited, is now joining us. Amar, what's the sense that you get about the markets? Do you think we are headed, further higher from here on?
Yeah, definitely. The way we have seen a rally and in the global markets as well as the domestic markets, and also the factors which are playing out, be it the resolution of the British Premier, be it the re-election of Shinzo Abe, the Japanese Prime Minister, and also the way the markets have reacted to the US jobs data that came in last Friday. And on the domestic front also, monsoons are proceeding along as expected lines. We're also having some views on that GST could be passed during this monsoon session. So overall, definitely positives are there in the market. So that's there. Yes, since the rally that we witnessed over the last couple of weeks after the Brexit referendum, so that would lead to some profit booking in the market, but the overall uptrend remains intact. So yes, any dip should be used as a buying opportunity.
Right. What's the level where you would look to buy? Because up till now, even the dips have been quite shallow, ex the Brexit dip that we had.
Yeah, currently if you look at Nifty, it's trading around 8,500 levels or so. So any 150 points correction could be used as a buying opportunity, because major support for Nifty would be in the region of 82.30 to 82.50 on the downside. Yes, on the higher side, sustaining above 84.90, 8,500 levels is important for the market. So today we are seeing a test of those levels. So holding above these levels could lead to another leg of rally upside. But yes, some correction of 150 points, that would be a good level to buy.
Right. Which are the stocks that you would look to buy on correction? Any top picks that you have?
Yeah, Motherson Sumi is looking good. This stock is almost up by 40% since its low of 206. So we recommend buying. It's on a slight correction towards 283, 285 levels, with a stop loss of 276 and targeting 298 to 300 levels. On the upside, this stock has a major resistance coming around 310 levels.
Right. So what should be the strategy, as you said? Should you buy on dips or should you start to buy?
No, there should be buying on dips. Be it Motherson Sumi around 283 to 285 levels could be a level to buy Motherson Sumi with a stop loss of 276, target 298. That could be one. The other could be Canara Bank. Canara Bank, again, we are seeing a rally in across the public sector banks. So Canara Bank could be a buy around 233, 235 levels with a stop loss of 225, targeting 249, 250 levels.
Right. As far as Vedanta is concerned, any particular view on that? It's up about 5%. I think it's hitting the day's high.
Yeah, as far as Vedanta is concerned, what we are seeing is, be it Vedanta, be it Hindalco, be it the metal stocks, we are seeing a rally across the board in metal stocks. Even Tata Steel was up. So metal stocks are also likely to perform well. But yes, the run-up has been sharp. So some correction should be awaited, and then buying should be bought into.
Right. But the trend and the momentum is looking good.
Yeah, overall, if you look at the overall momentum, yes, the momentum has been strong. We are seeing some, as you rightly said, some shallow dips. So clearly showing that the bears are on the sidelines, because there aren't many negatives per se in the market today, which could justify some significant correction. But as I said, that what we have witnessed is a spectacular rally over the last couple of weeks. So that could be one of the reasons. Otherwise, the data also that came in from the US was exceedingly well. We are seeing the S&P also trading at record highs. Dow also close to its record highs. So somewhere or the other, the market, yes, internationally, globally, yes, these levels could be some profit booking levels. So as I said, any correction should be used as a buying opportunity. That would be the way to look at markets.
Right. How would you look at DLF? It's trading at 160, 161 levels.
Just give me a minute. Yeah, DLF, if you look at DLF per se, DLF has been rallying from almost 120, 125 levels. Currently it's trading at its day high of 161. Now, what we are seeing on the upside is that DLF would meet with resistance around 164, 165 levels. That could be a level of resistance for DLF. The uptrend definitely remains intact. It's a very strong market for DLF. On the downside, 154, 155 would be a level of support for DLF.
Right. HDIL, Indiabulls Real Estate, any view on these names?
Across the board, if we look at HDIL per se, we are seeing again, it's a real estate sector also that's performing quite well. HDIL is trading close to 108 levels or so. But what we are seeing is that DLF looks stronger as compared to HDIL because we are seeing some, I would say some profit booking in HDIL, and also it's likely to meet with strong resistance around 110 levels or so.
Right. Thank you so much, sir, for taking out time for us. Hope you have a great day going ahead.
Thank you.
As we were talking to the guest, markets are looking strong. Let's just pull up the Nifty. You'll get a sense of what I'm saying. 8,500 plus, that's what we are looking at, 8,520. And in the last 30 minutes, there has been a good surge in the market. Taking a break, coming back in 2 minutes.